crypto market melt up is happening right now as we speak. It is Thursday, February 22nd. It's 2:07 p.m. We have Bitcoin steadily stable above $51,000. We got on the board, looking to the right, altcoins, double-digit gains, AVAV, Ondo, Filecoin, Metal, Render, HBAR, AI coins hit new all-time highs. So things are getting absolutely spicy in this market, and it's time to tap in. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment. Now let's get into it. So first off, we're going to cover the total crypto market cap and gauge where we're at and with the market drivers. So looking at the total crypto market cap right now, we're firmly above that 2618 extension. Take a horizontal line here. We can mark that area right there. And then let's go to the 5-day chart and kind of see. So our next target is looking like, actually, let me go to the weekly, is going up to this concrete ceiling, just like Bitcoin did. So Bitcoin is leading the markets, leading the charge. It went up and back down. It's holding firmly above there. The total crypto market cap is a little behind. So it's looking like the altcoins and Ethereum might be ready to catch up to bring this total crypto market cap chart up and above the concrete ceiling. If we come up to the concrete ceiling, which is coinciding with this purple moving average and the macro 786, and we get rejected hard, then we could be ready for a rollover. But right now, looking at the weekly chart, we had that momentum crossing up. It's exactly what you like to see. We had the stock RSI on the weekly come down to that 50 line and cross up, kind of like back here in like October 2022, before a black swan came in. Something might be in the air, as far as the movements look the same. And then thinking back to March of 2020, we still got to be cautious about a potential, something happening. But for now, prices are going up, the momentum's going up. And until we see something turn in the momentum, then we can get a little more cautious. But right now, looking at the weekly chart, the momentum's headed up. Looking at the 3-day chart, we're headed up here, but we are curling a little bit on the stock. So that's what we want to watch. We want to watch the momentum down there. Looking at the 1-day chart, we are getting close to a rollover. So we want to make sure on the 1 day for the total crypto market cap that we stay with the stock RSI above this 50 line. And if this TSI crosses down, sometimes it's no biggie because back here we crossed down, but we just went sideways and up. So it's no biggie as long as the pink maintains above the 50 line here, this yellow line, and even better above this red line to be very bullish. So that's looking all right. But I'm still waiting for a potential dip to probably retest back down here at 1.8 trillion, maybe even with breakdown to 1.72 trillion, which was the 786 from this high down to the low. We broke out. Maybe we'll come up to the 1618 before doing it, but I'm definitely still cautious as far as a potential dip. So you don't want to get heavily greased up just yet. We got to look at some more things because I'm looking at this chart, which is the USDT plus USDC market caps against the total crypto market cap. And this is what I put in the Discord in the market updates, keeping people updated in real time yesterday and every day. So if you're not already in the Discord, link is in the bio, come join the Discord, because when I covered this, things were looking shaky yesterday. And then I covered this and we broke down from the trend line. So I thought we're going to come down here, which is the 786, and we got rejected by the 786. This is our like kind of zone. If we break above that 786, that top horizontal yellow line, then a big dump is on the way for crypto. If we break below this bottom horizontal yellow line, a huge pump for crypto is on the way. Right now, we are at, if we take a look, we went up, came back down. So we have the new 786 right here. So really, we want to see this momentum curl over. And on the 12-hour chart, we're actually going up in the momentum. So we definitely want to watch this like a hawk, because this is what's going to tell us what's on the horizon as far as crypto. A break up, huge dump, a breakdown, another huge pump. And that's going to be the key chart that we watch for to know the direction here in the tail end of February. Looking at Bitcoin dominance though, on the 1-day chart, we are rolling over and we got that sell now signal. Let's take a look. Yep. So we got that sell now signal right there, and we have that momentum curling over hard. And now that it looks like this TSI is starting to accelerate and waterfall down. And we're seeing the result of that by altcoins really pressing up double-digit gains here. So it's looking solid as far as money flowing out of Bitcoin into the altcoins, because Bitcoin's maintained stable, just going sideways. And that's fine as long as it's maintaining above that concrete ceiling here. So we take a look. So as long as it's maintaining above that concrete ceiling at 50K flat, we're in good business. But we're having trouble at this purple moving average here, being above it as support, below it as resistance. I'd really like to see it get back above and then alts will really be super bullish across the board, getting back above 52K. And we definitely want to maintain short term above 51.3K. Been saying that. And if we break below there, could get a little shaky and we could come down to test 50K flat. And the altcoins might not like that. It might be a little shaky until the market gets a decision as far as what Bitcoin's going to do at that level. So right now, things are looking solid, but we're at a key point for Bitcoin, and looking at the momentum on the 12-hour chart, we are selling off a bit, but we're maintaining up in price, but it could catch up with us. So that's why we want to be cautiously optimistic. Then looking at the others market cap, beautiful right now. Broke above that previous high, the 786, double tap, retest. It's now starting to head up. If we break lower, then we're just going to retest the 786. But I think we're coming up to around 260 to 270 billion for the others market caps. Could even come up to 313 billion for the macro 786. But looking at the momentum is now starting to curl up on the 12-hour. Looking at the weekly chart, solid cross up. And by the end of this week, if we see it cross up through that 50 line, it's game on for us to get up to there. So it's looking pretty solid so far. We got to watch those key market drivers, as well as, this main chart especially. And then looking at the anomalies to end it off today. So let's see what we have for potential anomalies for the day trade dogs out there. So HBAR is flashing an anomaly. Ondo has been on an absolute rip. Render, the AI tokens. Flow just did. Filecoin 3 hours ago. Let's take a look what's going on over here. And then we got Vega flashing one as well too. So there's definitely some outperforming coins, opportunities as far as day trade goes. I'll be in Greece City with the dogs for the premiums. If you want to join premium at Stargate, then join the Discord. Link is in the bio. Friend request me, Rob Stargate right here. Ask how you can join premium to get these trade calls, day trades, but also like the screeners and the software and stuff, and access to all our educational videos, as well as link is in the bio. Come join the Discord regardless, because we have free sections as well too, free channels where you can view and be updated with the market. So I'll see you guys in the Discord. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.